In the last lesson, we learned that gears can be identified by the number of teeth they have. Now we can use those numbers to understand something called a gear ratio. So, what is a gear ratio? A ratio is simply a comparison between two values. A gear ratio compares the tooth counts of gears that are working together. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose this 20-tooth gear is our driver, and this 40-tooth gear is our driven gear. The driven gear has twice as many teeth as the driver. That gives us a relationship of 2:1. Or, written as a ratio, 2:1. This tells us something very important about how these gears will rotate relative to each other. Because the 40-tooth gear has twice as many teeth, the smaller 20-tooth gear must make 2 rotations to move enough teeth past the contact point for the 40-tooth gear to complete approximately 1 full rotation. Gear ratios allow us to describe this relationship using numbers instead of simply saying one gear is bigger or smaller. And once we know the ratio, we can begin predicting things like output speed and torque. That's what makes gear ratios so useful. But how exactly did we get that 2:1 number? In Lesson 6, we'll learn the formula and calculate gear ratios ourselves.